Welcome to this training on the Neapolitan oven. All right, this is a Gianni Acunto wood-fired oven. It's made in Italy. It's 6,000 pounds of brick and stone and concrete, and we hand tiled it here in Rexburg, Idaho. I want to show you a few things about this oven to make sure that when you start using it, one, you're safe, and two, you're making the best pizzas possible. So let's talk about a couple of things here. First of all, this metal area here and up here, these are the most likely places that you're gonna burn yourself. If you hit your arm on these things, this gets extremely hot. Never touch it, okay? Now, you'll see there's this metal door here. When the oven is not on, we put this door in place to hold the heat in. If you turn the oven on with this door in place, you can cause an explosion or a fire, burn the whole building down, all right? So before you ever turn it on, the first step is to pull this door off, all right? And then we just store the door down here under the oven, right out of the way. Now, the second step before you ever turn this oven on is to make sure your ventilation's good. Now, we have a fan that draws the air out, and you always, always, always turn this fan on before you start the oven. So come over here, and I'll show you where it is, okay? All right. So this fan, the off position is straight down. You turn it on, and then we always run the fan at the lowest speed possible. So if there's no smoke coming out, it's just gonna be on this low speed. All right, let's come on back over here. Oven's still off. There's a slight, if you bring the camera over, you might be able to hear there's a slight draw of air now. Just very faint, okay? Now, let's come down here and I'll show you the controller, okay? This is our oven control head. All right, this is the digital display, and this is the handle. This is the control switch. A lot of people think you turn it on and that's gonna turn the oven on. That's actually not true. Putting it in the on position just turns the controller on. When you want the oven to kick on, you turn it to heat. You heard that little buzz, and then this light flickered. So this is the flame fail light. If it's on steady, that means the flame is off, okay? Green is the set temperature, and the red number is the actual temperature on the sensor, okay? To turn the oven up, you just hit this button a few times. Now notice it's kind of flickering. You might not be able to tell in the video because sometimes it flickers anyway. But you turn it up. If you don't hit that button, this little return button, you won't get the new temperature. We start the day at about 7:25, and then as the oven heats up, we adjust the temperature throughout the evening to make sure that that flame is always on when we're cooking pizza. All right, and that's about it for now. We'll catch you in the next one.